Best free stock research websites and tools that actually work. Imagine this. You're about to invest in a stock. You feel confident. But 3 months later it tanks. You hadn't seen a red flag. Why? Because you didn't use the right tools. What if I told you that you can access professional-level research for free today on your laptop or phone and make smarter decisions without paying hundreds of dollars a month? Stay with me, because I'll reveal the one best free research website at the end that most beginner investors don't even know about. Hi everyone, if you're serious about investing, not just throwing money at charts, then research tools are your best friend. Whether you're just getting started or you've been investing for a while, you don't need to spend big bucks to access strong research. Today, I'll walk you through the top websites and tools with special emphasis on free ones, how they work, their advantages, their drawbacks, and help you choose which one fits you. And yes, the best one is coming at the end. 1. Yahoo Finance. What it is: a classic, ubiquitous free tool for quotes, financials, news, and basic charts. Pros: free, easy to use, good for beginners, shows company fundamentals and news. Cons: some advanced features reserved for paid tiers, data may be delayed, not as powerful as premium platforms. Good for beginners who want a one-stop quick view of a company. 2. Finviz. What it is: powerful stock screener and visualization tool. Pros: free version offers many filters, heat maps, insider and fundamental data, quick idea generation. Cons: free quotes are delayed, deep fundamental analysis still limited, interface of free version has ads. Good for investors who want to screen stocks by metrics and get a fast overview. 3. Stockanalysis.com. What it is: a recommended free research site for fundamentals, financial statements, and ratings. Pros: free access to solid fundamental data, clear layout, good for DIY investors. Cons: some premium content locked, lesser coverage outside major markets, still learning curve. Good for beginners to intermediate investors focusing on fundamentals. 4. TradingView. What it is: charting platform with social community, technical indicators. Pros: free version gives many indicators, community scripts and ideas, excellent for chart-based research. Cons: free plan limits some features, fundamentals may be less detailed, technical focus may mislead if you ignore fundamentals. Good for investors who use technical analysis alongside fundamentals. 5. Morningstar and others. What they are: tools especially for funds and ETFs, Morningstar, and other niche tools like TipRanks, StockRover. Pros: trusted data, fund ratings, deep dive possible. Cons: free tiers are limited, premium needed for full power, may be more oriented to advanced investors. Good for investors interested in funds, ETFs, or deeper research. 6. A one best free tool, save for last: Edgar and SEC filings, stock analysis, your hidden edge. Here's the one many beginner investors miss: Edgar, SEC filings, and quality-free screens. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's free database allows you to access company 10K, 10Q reports, insider filings, raw data. Why it's so powerful? Professional analysts spend hours parsing these documents. You can too, for free. Combine them with one of the screening tools like Stock Analysis or Finviz, and you have a professional research stack without paying hundreds a month. Pros: truly free primary data, gives deep insight into company health, insider activity. Cons: requires effort to read and interpret. Raw data may overwhelm beginners, time-consuming. Good for investors ready to level up, willing to spend a little time for a lot of edge. So, we've covered the best free tools you can start using today to upgrade your stock research game, from Yahoo Finance to Finviz to Edgar. Now, if you're moving past tools and want to understand how the market moves, what drives short-term vs long-term investing decisions, then my next video is perfect for you. Short-term trading versus long-term investing. Which one actually makes you rich? Click that, subscribe, and let's keep building sharper, smarter investors, not just watchers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.